Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka Sorkar Jela u Conrad ke Sangma. Hakas ngipalay ulawan banbu ya Mawnongrim kajingtay pura ya ka Wapung C&Rd blong. Kabalapen Kynriah na Khliehriat siya Wapung. Hakani kajingwan bu Mawnongrim ladon lang Menteri katanat C&Rd blong ka Sorkar Jela u ba Hamlet San Darling Menteri katanat Revenue ka Sorkar Jela u ba Kermensyala u balong ru MLA kathan. Ki MDC ka GHADC kinang syangsnong bat kiway-kiway. Uba Hamlet San Darling haka jingkren ulaya thu baya ka ying traikam jang ka Wapung C&Rd blog onte haka jinglot ka balai klor tengka. Ulaya thu bakidan haduk shispa santali kisnong ki bahab hapo ka ni ka blog. Haka ni kasngi layo ya ka jingkren lengkon na uba ti lengwa u secretary katanat C&Rd u MDC ka GHADC uba Pasman Dakar u in charge DC ka East Jaintia uba SSM li bat ya ki kentin khublay lapashat u MDC kathan uba laski rembai.
At the very outset, I would like to thank God Almighty for this beautiful day that He has given to each and every one of us. And also for all the different development programs that are coming as blessing for the people of this region and also for the entire state of Meghalaya. 3.5 years back, when we had taken over the government in 2018, I remember telling some of my cabinet colleagues and also the MLAs who are in the government that yes, we may feel happy, we may also feel proud to be leading the government and running the government. But more than that, we should remember that we are coming with a sense of responsibility. This has to be seen as an opportunity that has been given to us to make a difference in people's lives. Saying that other locations don't deserve it. I'm sure they deserve it also. And there are many other locations in the state that deserve more administrative strengthening. And therefore the government will definitely examine the setting up of different blocks as per the need of the people of our state. There are many regions in our state where the people of villages have to travel 50-60 kilometers to access the service of block. And that is very, very unfair for those citizens. And therefore, it is a duty of the government to ensure that we bring the administration closer to the people. And hence, we will examine the possibility of putting up more blocks to bring the administration closer to the people. But obviously, we'll have to do it keeping the financial constraints and financial challenges in mind. Block offices are one of the most important offices for the people in the rural areas. Majority of our schemes, especially the central government schemes, are implemented through the blocks. And therefore, it will be most appropriate to ensure that more blocks come up in different parts of the state as per need, be able to solve every single problem and issue. I do look back and have a sense of satisfaction in being able to at least make a little difference in our people's lives. Today, there's another sense of satisfaction in my heart to be able to undo the wrong that was done in the previous government. And while I say that, I'm not here to blame anybody. I don't like blaming and I don't like negative politics. I believe in positive politics. As I told you, I believe that we have been given a chance to make things right. And today, as I said, it gives me a great sense of satisfaction to be able to shift the Wapung block to where it originally was supposed to be, and was by wrong measures, I should say, and not a proper administrative process that the block was earlier shifted from this location. And while I say that, I'm not saying that other locations don't deserve it. I'm sure they deserve it also. And there are many other locations in the state that deserve. We should look at this as a chance to take our state forward, to develop our state, correct the mistakes that were made in the past, give justice to the people, and take our state forward as a whole. And while we do that, we must remember that we must always keep the citizens of our state first. They have to be kept as top priority. All the MLAs, ministers, officers, we are here to serve you. And there must be a sense of purpose, and there must be a sense of passion while we work as a government. Thank the Honorable Minister of Social Welfare, who is also the local MLA, for his untiring effort to bring back the block to Wapung. And I must mention to the people of this area, since it's his constituency, that a large part of the decision, though the decision was taken at my level,
to have a joint action committee, Kateto, Kadolbar Chinong Wapung Score, Wagadolbar Chinong, Wapung Chinong. Aden also Kabe Khliehriat Haitui 4, Kokuti MUA2, Apo Yakmat Dr. Mukul Sangma, Kamu Chief Minister, the Priyanko Wandra Yagwapung C&Rd block, Chawapung. Nakventa Roy Par, Young Manigatain, Kidolbar Chinong. Ki atri ki dor chinong da gazing small min sim the e maknagi chag sorkar ya gani khandau ko he hadu san ekartam neventa uchna ya ka office wa ka quarter yang go Wapung C&Rd block chocho hadin list name chitai gazing lai ruti ke yong ki ardor bal chinong wa ga tai ka sorkar Dr. Mukul Sangma Haitui por Kali nyau teri kunumba arja khandru dapat menako wa darano yang Khliehriat C&Rd block Chawapung. We wada e bertu yaka da Wapung C&Rd block. Katkam kajing terang kayong kipai ba gani gatain.
Take office ka penderkam yaki central scheme. Di scheme jog central scheme apa jog sekarang dia. Di penderkam nama ka block. Pipai ke scheme MG, ke scheme PMAY, ke scheme sayang kan ya. Ketika scheme juga livelihood mission, ke scheme juga state government.